When selecting stocks or ETFs for investment, finding investments in strong sectors versus weak sectors will yield better returns. Fortunately, finding the strongest sectors is easy in Stock Rover. There are several ways to do it, so let's take a look at three. First, the simplest and quickest way is to select Markets from the Start menu and focus on the sector table. For momentum purposes, it's best to select the 1-month or 3-month performance. I'll pick 3-month. Clicking on the Return column sorts the sector by return. The first click will sort in ascending order. Subsequent clicks invert the order. We see that consumer cyclical is the hottest sector. A second approach is to use the power of the Stock Rover table. We'll start by selecting World from the Start menu. Then we'll select Table as the layout. We'll click on Sectors in the navigation panel. Under Views, we'll go to the Price Performance folder and select Returns versus S&P 500. Let's sort by 3-month return versus S&P 500. Once again, we see consumer cyclical is the hottest sector. The third approach is to chart the sectors. We begin by using a watch list with investable sector ETFs. To do this, we first select Watch Lists from the Start menu. We'll then select Chart as the layout. We'll want to select Sector ETFs from the default watch list folder. Note, if the watch list isn't loaded into your account, you can import it from the investor's library. We'll select a 3-month period for the chart. I'll select the first ticker and use Shift-click to select the last ticker. I'll then right-click to chart all ETFs. We can see that XLY is the top performing ETF. We can see that the ETF XLY refers to the Consumer Discretionary Select sector. Let's add the S&P 500 benchmark. We'll go to Compare To, select Benchmark, and select the S&P 500. We'll click on the benchmark to make it a baseline. Here we can see that this ETF outperformed the S&P 500 over the last 3 months by 17.06%. I hope you found this video useful. I encourage you to explore Stock Rover and see all that it has to offer, as well as check out our educational videos on our website. Thank you for watching.